Good morning or evening, friend.
Hi guys, and welcome to Cooper's Key. So this is my channel here, and basically I want to do a breakdown of a song where really it's a remake by Jay-Z, or a sample by Jay-Z from the original song by Stevie Wonder. The original song is titled Love's in Need of Love Today. Okay, and so obviously when I heard this song a while ago, and then I sat on the piano, I started playing it, and I ended up playing it a semitone lower than the original, because that's how I was just playing it back in my ear. I was just playing it back in this key, which is the key of D. The original song is in the key of E flat, so I transposed it down so I could go along with the backing track itself. So what I'll do now is I'll go and transpose my piano back to neutral. So concert A, go back in the original tuning for the piano. Okay, so the song itself will be in the key of E flat. So I'll show you the song in the key of E flat, and I'll go back down to the key I was in, which was D, and then I'll show you some of the things I was doing there. So the song has some very helpful chords there that you could incorporate into your playing. So it starts in E flat, walks down to, the bass walks down to a C sharp over the E flat, goes to a C7, F minor. This is standard F minor, and this is an A flat minor major 7. There's your major 7. Okay, so that's the first section. That's the looping part. If you listen to the original song, there's a bit of a syncopation going on here. Probably you just botched that, but and then 4/5 here. So when the song begins itself, they play the actual melody from the song, which is okay. So yeah, I took it down a key and I went to D. I think it's because I was already playing a song in D, I'm not sure. There's a lot of tritones. The tritone right there. The tritone. G major 7. And this is a G diminished. The melody line on top. I guess there's nothing else to say about it, so it's just something I wanted to share. Thanks for all the support. Oh, and one more thing, I'll be doing a breakdown, a complete tutorial breakdown for Johan Kim's song, performance of Jesus at the Center. So yeah, look out for that. That should come